At Clean Australia Service, professional carpet steam cleaning is never a one-size-fits-all solution. Every carpet is different, from the fiber type to its condition to the level of wear over time. That's why we take the time to properly assess each carpet before selecting the correct cleaning method, equipment, and most importantly, the right cleaning products. We use premium to high-end carpet-safe shampoos and solutions designed to protect fibers, restore appearance, and deliver a deeper, healthier clean without shortcuts. And here's something important for anyone inquiring about carpet steam cleaning. Always ask what products a company uses, because quality products make a real difference. At Clean Australia Service, we never cut costs on chemicals, equipment, or the time spent on your property. We invest in the best because our clients deserve the best. This same platinum level standard applies across everything we do, from industrial and commercial cleaning to premium residential services, right across Australia. If you're looking for a cleaning service that stands for quality, integrity, and results, one call, clean it all,